Picture this. You're watching a token chart explode, candles flying, liquidity jumping, traders rushing in from all corners of Web3. And you open your regular decentralized exchange, which is a DEX, but your screen just lags and the chart freezes, your order slips, and the trade you wanted is gone. That's when you realize you need a trading interface built for real-time speed and a platform that feels like it's a centralized exchange performance, but with full decentralization. But come closer to your screen. That platform is Oku Trade. And Oku Trade is a professional centralized exchange-like interface built on top of Uniswap version 3. Think of it as the Binance interface of trading decentralized, with live charts, real order books, fast swaps, liquidity insight, and advanced trade execution, all powered directly by Uniswap liquidity pools. It's fast, it's clean, and it's built for both beginners and advanced traders. But before we continue into this video, if you find that content helpful, do order buy educational token WikiCat. It is built on Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Now, let's get on how to navigate Oku Trade, which we will be taking you on the step-by-step process. So all you need is a Web3 wallet, and I'll be using the OKX Web3 wallet for this. So I click on my OKX wallet, and I go into the Explore tab right here. I click on the search, and I type in Oku.trade. Well, it's this Oku over here, so I could use here directly. Oku, it's a decentralized exchange, and go to Oku. So you could see it over here, Oku.trade, and yeah, you click on launch application, and my wallet is connected already, but this is the tab where you get to connect your wallet. But let me disconnect and connect it again. Click on connect, and my OKX wallet, and it connects automatically. So you can connect to your MetaMask, Rabi wallet, Coinbase wallet, and Trust wallet via the Wallet Connect feature, and any Wallet Connect provider. Once connected, you could select the network you want to trade on: Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, Optimism, Polygon, PNB, and more chains, right? But let's see how to perform a swap on Oku. So this is your swap feature right here. I want to swap from, let's go to Base. I think I love Base, and from Base Ethereum to USDC, you have to click on sign in, and yeah, you click on agree and continue, and you confirm your signature request. All right, so I'm trying to swap from Base Ethereum to USDC. It is very, very fast. Now, here is how to swap. You choose your trading pair, select the token you want to swap from, and the token you want to swap to. And there are other tools here on Oku Trade. Before I go into the swaps, there's a Pro tool, there's a Pool tool, there's a Position Manager, there's Morpho. That's where you could find your profile, and their store is coming soon and manage wallet. And let's look into the Pro tool. Now, this is it. It looks like a centralized exchange where you could see almost everything, like the featured routers on here. You could see the other DEXs. You could see your live candlestick chart, which is powered by TradingView, and how the order flows. I don't have any orders here, so it would not show up here, but you could also see transactions here that occurs on this tab. It's loading up. This is how Oku Trade makes it look as if you're on a centralized platform. It gives you that feel of a centralized platform. So let's go into our swap feature immediately. So this is it here, and I want to swap from Base ETH to USDC. I enter the amount 0.0001. I think the Pro feature it's unstable, but let's go back to the normal feature where we are able to do our trades seamlessly. And you could just do this by clicking here, and you could see the normal feature. This is the swap feature. So from base Ethereum to USDC, and I would use 0.0000105 rather, and 0.13 USDC, and I click on swap and I confirm. I have to confirm it from my wallet, and I click on it. You could see pay this to receive this. Transactions submitted and transactions successful. Immediately you get your assets settled in, and you could see my USDC value is way higher right now. And you could go here, you could see the recent transactions that have happened on my USDC. So that's how to swap on Oku. But you could do a lot of other things on Oku except swapping. You could also bridge on Oku Trade, where you bridge from one chain to another chain, and it's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing. And you could also have you have the Oku Ramp, where you send or receive crypto right from your bank account, and you have to create an account in 4 easy steps. So this takes you to the centralized part, but what we're dealing with here on this video is the decentralized part of Oku Trade, and this is how you get it, and where you register your mail and other KYC details. Then you have your bridge, like I said before now. But there are different safety tips for you while using your Oku Trade. Always make sure you have enough native coin for your gas fees, and use limit orders instead of high slippage trades during volatility. And you could refresh your charts if your the network becomes congested. And always verify your token contracts, because many tokens share similar names. And that's how to use Oku Trade, the decentralized platform that brings a professional trading field to the blockchain. So if this tutorial helped you, do want to subscribe to SMC Tutor, do want to like this video, and shoot in your comments on the comment section. I will definitely respond to it. And thanks for watching.